Yo, what's up guys? It's Noah here with CustomRCMods, and another day, another Mustang to destroy. So I guess we're just gonna see how it goes. The main idea of today's challenge is that the Mustang is not flying right side up, it's flying upside down. As you can see right here, if I pull up on the stick, that goes down on the elevator. So we're gonna do a completely inverted flying session. The rudder's also gonna be reversed. We're gonna see how it goes, maybe do some challenges, things like that as we go along. Let's see how it goes. All right, so here we go. I'm going first. You have to launch me upside down, bro. This is a completely upside down challenge. Throw me like a football. Yeah. Hey. You know what? It's flying like a Mustang inverted, except for you don't have to do any of the inverted stuff. Alright, now it's for a roll. Oh shit, that's a rudder. Alright, there's my roll. Now I gotta land it inverted. Nice. Alright, on you. I just landed. It's Kafka's go. Doesn't feel too bad. Bro, you're god at inverted flying, bro. There's your roll.
Whoa. There you go. Oh, I should take off my glove. Oh, we're gonna do that, I'll walk.
Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh. Oh. Alright, so here's the next challenge. You gotta do a normal loop. Oh.
Battery there.
Alright, battery there. We got the battery. Here, would you like to do the honors?
Whoa, jeez, dude.
Bro, built with care.
Dang, that thing's strong.
Alright. Well, you gotta pick up the trash, boys and girls.
Oh. Alright, well, another Mustang down.
So that one didn't last nearly as long as the last one, but we don't really have a lot of sunlight either, so glad we got that out of the way. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.